Next.js enables React developers to build blazing fast websites using the same technology, both client-side and server-side. Previously, React has been most popular for single-page applications, but with the advent of frameworks like Next.js, you can now use it for building what you'd call a traditional websites with different pages and also make it very fast. So we've started working on Next.js because it's become immensely popular over the last few years and months. And we wanted to give the developers and the content editors a better way of working with this when compared to these first generation headless CMS offerings. So how do we do that? Well, one of the big problems with these modern stack website approaches is that editors have kind of been left in the dark, meaning they have issues with everything from previewing to building pages or linking content together and even tree structures and navigation. What we've done is we've built a starter kit for Next.js and combined that with a tutorial so the devs can go through this and go from zero to hero in a couple of hours. And then they can go live with their own projects using the same technology. So essentially when you combine Enonic with Next, the editors can get a familiar experience while building their websites compared to many of the first generation headless CMSs out there. And the developer of course gets all the benefits from the Next.js and the React framework. Enonic, when compared to other headless CMSs, of course we have everything like dynamic image scaling, reuse of content through GraphQL APIs, what you expect. But in addition, we're also open source, so we provide both software and cloud service. This means you basically don't get locked into any proprietary cloud services. You can even run the entire platform on your local machine. So you can be working on this while you're on the train or in an airplane for that sake. So if you're a developer and you're kind of into the Next.js thing, you should definitely check out our offering before you make a decision on headless CMS. If you're an editor, this is your opportunity to get a more intuitive user interface where you basically be more productive and happy from day to day. If you're curious about this, check out our solution on enonic.com for free.